Are you suffering from acne?
Do you know hormonal imbalance is the main reason for acne? Hormonal fluctuation cause acne. Excess androgen, imbalance in estrogen and progesterone, insulin resistance, excess cortisol. Imbalance in these hormones stimulates sebaceous glands, oil glands. Excess oil clogs the pores leading for the formation of acne. Dietary changes: avoid processed foods, sugars. Add zinc, omega-3, plenty of fruits and vegetables, healthy fats to balance hormones and reduce breakouts. Vitamin D3 plays a crucial role in immune function and skin health. It helps to balance androgen, insulin, cortisol hormones. Homeopathic approach helps to balance body's internal environment, addressing the root causes of acne for long-lasting results.